Hey guys, I'm wrapping up an amazing long weekend away at a retreat with a bunch of college kids. We got houseboats, we had wakeboarding boats, tubing, jet skis, kayaks. It was awesome. I was sort of one of the grown-ups among the crew, and I was here just to serve. I brought my dad's boat and took people wakeboarding, and I hung out with a group of girls in the cabin and just sort of listened to what's going on in their lives and advised them. And it made me realize how important this is for everybody. We are all made to serve. We're not made to hold our gifts in. We're all made to serve. Hey, change of scenery. We had to leave the beach. It's just beautiful. It's gorgeous out here. So on the theme of serving others, how does that apply to pursuing your passions or getting good at the skills you want to master? That's how we'll finish the video, so just stay tuned. A lot of the young women here who are in generally the college age bracket, a lot of them talked about anxiety being an ongoing issue for them, and with that, sometimes very often depression. Serving is actually a really good remedy for anxiety. When you are thinking about the needs of others, it prevents you from being able to dwell on and really spend time caught up thinking about the things that are worrying you about yourself or about your own life or future decisions or things like that. It literally just doesn't give you as much time to worry about those things. You have to be considering others' needs in order to be serving them. So it's a genuinely great way to abate anxiety. Another thought is serving other people is fun, taking this time out of my life to come down here and be part of this retreat for girls who are younger than me and people who are just, a few years earlier in life. And it's really fun. It's fun to, not even just the boating part, but taking an interest in other people and finding ways to encourage them is really fulfilling. It's fun. Broaden that to whatever kind of serving you might possibly do, whether that's, building something for someone, giving someone a gift, going over and just cleaning their house when they've had a baby or gone through surgery or something like that. There's a million and one ways that you can serve your friends and your family and the people in your community and in your neighborhood, but it's fun. It is, and it's a great way to make friendships. It's actually, I think, an easier way to make friendships than trying to make friendships. I think if you are working alongside someone in service, whatever it is, volunteering your time, working at a soup kitchen, whatever it is, if you're volunteering alongside someone, you will learn about them. They will learn about you. You will start to see ways in which that person shines, what their strengths are. And then you'll start to admire those things and they'll get to see what your strengths are. That develops friendship, even just so much more than just trying to be friends. So it's fun. It builds friendships. It's a really great remedy for anxiety and depression and other symptoms that you might be experiencing if you are constantly overwhelmed with worrying about your own problems. Even if you're not worrying about your own problems to be selfish. Sure, sometimes people worry about their own problems because they're genuinely selfish. But sometimes people are worried about their own problems more and first because they think they can't serve others until they have their own problems figured out. So they just get stuck in their head thinking, I have to fix me before I can help anybody else. I have to fix me before I can help anybody else. That's just not true. It is good to be aware of what you need to be working on. That's great. It's good to be thoughtful of that. But you can absolutely be serving others while still working on yourself. And you will probably progress a lot in whatever you need to progress in while serving others. So how does this all tie into pursuing your passions and developing skills that you need to get to being whatever epic world famous thing you want to be? Serving is a great way to develop those skills and get practice at them. So one, you're developing the skill you want to have, using the passion that you want to get good at or spend more time doing. Two, that's what you're made for. If it's your dream, if it's your passion, if it's your calling, then it's what you're made for. And doing it will be fulfilling. Doing it will be refreshing. It will be encouraging. It will be, like I said, fun. Serving in ways that you are not made for can be tiring. But things that are part of who you are, that you were made for, those will be so encouraging and refreshing. In the last 4 days, I probably got a total of 20 hours or less of sleep. But feel fantastic. I'm encouraged, I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm wide awake, I'm not tired because I'm doing things I love. I told you that on my, dream list, my ideal career, my things Amy needs to succeed or Amy needs in her life are beautiful outdoors, interacting with people. I did tons of that. I mean, another thing on there is like meaningful interactions. I don't do well when it's only interacting at a surface level. I need deep, meaningful interactions, and I got that all weekend long, and I'm just so fulfilled and happy. So what are the things you're made for? What are the skills you want that you want to develop? And tell me some ways that you can be using those to serve, or ways that you have. I'm really excited to hear what you guys have to say. All right, that's all for now. I'm Amy. Remember, make it till you make it.